we are continuing with insurance concepts. Okay, and in your government textbook exercise 2.1, let's solve question number 12 from exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, question number 12. Okay, the rate of premium on a policy of 1 lakh is rupees 56. It's not percent, it is per thousand they have given. Okay, it's not percent, it's per thousand. So the rate is in per thousand, that is 56 per thousand. The rebate of 0.75 per thousand is permitted if the premium is paid annually. So rebate is generally a discount which is given on the rate. Okay. Find the net amount of premium payable if the policy holder pays the premium annually. So I hope you all have read this particular question. Okay. So rate of premium, it's given as 56 per thousand. Rebate, so rebate is nothing but 75, 0.75 per thousand. Okay. So 0.75 per thousand. Now rebate is calculated on the premium. Okay, rate of premium. Okay. So just multiply this with 56 upon 1000. Okay. Right. Okay. And then actual rate of premium, which is equal to original rate minus the discount which is given. Okay. 56 per thousand. So this is the actual rate of premium. I'll explain this again. See, rate of premium is 56 per thousand. Rebate is a kind of discount which is given on the actual rate. So the discount is 0.75 per thousand. Okay, of the actual rate. Okay, and once we calculate this, we'll just calculate the actual rate. So actual rate is equal to, it's modified now. Original rate minus the rebate which we have calculated. Okay. So we'll just reframe certain things over here. We'll write for the sake of exam paper correctors perspective. Okay. So original rate of premium is equal to 56 by 1000. We'll just reframe it, and then finally we'll calculate the actual rate of return of premium. Okay. Then premium is equal to rate of premium actual rate. Let me just write it because original rate के ऊपर they have given discount. So actual rate of premium into policy value. So actual rate of premium is 56 per thousand minus 0.75 upon thousand into 56 per thousand. Okay. Into policy value. Policy value is 1 lakh. Take 56 by 1000 common. 1 minus 0.75 into 1000 into 1 lakh. So 56 upon 1000 into 1000 minus 0.75 upon 1000 into 1 lakh. Okay. So we'll just calculate this further. Cancellation of the zeros. Okay. So 56 upon 10 into, you have to subtract this 1000 minus, okay, so 1000 minus 0.75, so 999.25. 56 upon 10 into 999.25. So if you multiply this 999.25 into 56, So that will be 55958 upon 10. So that will be 5595.8. That's how we calculate the premium. So this is the amount of premium. Okay. So let us understand this very quickly once again. The original rate was given as 56 per thousand. Rebate is a kind of discount which is given. Okay, because if the premiums are paid annually on time, then the customers are given certain discount. Okay, some benefits. So rebate is calculated on the original rate, right? And then the actual rate. Actual rate is equal to original rate minus the discount. Okay, so while calculating the premium on the policy value, we'll consider this as the rate. Okay, the actual rate, not the original rate. Fine. Yeah. So let's take another example. Let's go to question number 14. Exercise 2.1, question number 14. Policy value is 2 lakh. Okay, the person takes a policy value of 2 lakh for a period of 20 years. He pays for 10 years, for which bonus was declared at an average rate of 20 per year per thousand. Find the paid up value of the policy if he discontinues paying premium after 10 years. So basically, policy value is 2 lakh. Okay, we need to find out the paid up value. So paid up value is equal to exit terms upon total terms into policy value plus bonus. Now this, in this particular problem, he'll not get bonus for 20 years. The policy is for 20 years, but then he'll get the bonus only for 10 years, because after 10 years is not making any premium payments. So bonus for 10 years. Okay. So exit terms is 10 upon total terms is 20. After 10 years is making an exit. The total term of the policy is 20 years into 2 lakh plus bonus. So what is the rate of bonus that we need to put? Rate of bonus into policy value into 10. Okay, fine. So this will be 1 lakh, 1 lakh plus rate of bonus. Rate of bonus is 20 per year per thousand. So it will be 20 per thousand, not percent. Since it is per thousand, I am putting 1000 in the denominator into 2 lakh, which is the policy value, into 10, because he's getting the bonus for 10 years. So zeros are getting cancelled. So this will be 10 lakh, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 zeros. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, the paid up value answer. The paid up value of the policy is 1,40,000. Few more problems on the miscellaneous will do. Okay, so let's go to the miscellaneous exercise, right? And on page number 30, on page 30 there is this question number 5. Okay, this is from the miscellaneous exercise. A 35-year-old person takes a policy for 1 lakh for the period of 20 years. The rate of premium is given is rupees 76. So I think it should be 76 per thousand. They have not mentioned per thousand because it's the rate. So it can be percent or per thousand, but then for this problem it should be thousand. Okay, and the average rate of bonus is 7 per thousand per annum. If he dies after paying 10 annual premiums, what will the nominee receive? Now the difference between previous problem and this problem is, previous problem may the customer is discontinuing the policy because he's stopping the premium payments. But then in this problem, the customer is entitled to get the entire policy value because unfortunate event is occurring, his death is occurring. So nominee will get the entire policy value plus whatever the bonus is there. So nominee receives policy value plus entire policy value, yeah, plus bonus for 10 years. Okay, so the policy value, entire policy value of 1 lakh, he'll be, his nominee will get rate of bonus into policy value into total number of years for which he had paid his premiums. So 1 lakh plus rate of bonus. Rate of bonus is 7 per thousand into policy value. Policy value is 1 lakh into 10. Cancellation of the zeros. So this will be 7,000. 7,000 plus 1 lakh will be 1 lakh 7,000 rupees and all you should write. So this is what the nominee receives. Okay, right? Next problem, that is on page number 31. Same miscellaneous exercise, page 31. Question number 4, sub question 12. Okay. A person holding a life policy of 1,20,000 for a payment term of 25 years want to discontinue after paying premium for 8 years at a rate of 5 per thousand per annum. Find the paid up value of the policy. So this is the first value, first part of the problem, paid up value. Okay. So paid up value is equal to exit terms upon total terms into policy value plus bonus, right? So the exit terms are 8. He want to discontinue after 8 years. The total terms, the total number of years for which the policy is made, it is 25. Then the policy value is 1,20,000. In this particular problem, he'll receive 0 rupees bonus because bonus is not declared at all in this particular problem, like the previous problems. Okay, so we should not be very much concerned about the bonus then. So bonus will be 0, right? So if you calculate this further, okay, so you can certainly do some reductions and calculate this further. Just a second. So as per the calculation which I have calculated in rough, so this will give me rupees 38,400. Okay. Now, if you read the next part of the problem, they are asking what amount will he receive if the surrender value is granted at 35% of the premiums paid, excluding the first year's premium. Okay, so he has paid total 8 premiums. So one premium he has, we have to exclude. So we have to consider only 7 premiums, right? So surrender value, if you read the problem, it is what? 35% of what? The total premiums paid, excluding the first year's premium. So out of 8, we have to cancel one first year's premium. So we'll have to consider only 7 premiums. So 7 premiums. We all know how to calculate premium. Premium is equal to the rate of premium into policy value. Okay. So 35 upon 100, 7 into rate of premium is 58 by 1000 into 1,20,000, right? So this is how you can calculate the surrender value. So it's given in the question itself. Surrender value is 35% of all the premiums paid, but then don't consider the first year's premium. So there are total 8 premiums which he has paid, but then we have to consider only 7 premiums क्योंकि first year का premium अपने को consider नहीं करना. Okay, so 7 premiums. premium formula is rate of premium into policy value. Okay, so the zeros are getting cancelled. This zero and this zero will also get cancelled. So we'll just calculate this further. I'll do it in rough. You can also try it on your own. So 35 into 7 into 58 into 12. 35 into 7 into 58 into 12. Okay. So 170520, 170520, sorry. That's what I've got, upon 10. So rupees 17052. So this is what we have got as the surrender value. That completes the concept of insurance. All possible problems of insurance are covered up now. Thank you.